Hey Tigers, today we are going to do our first piece of work in your graduation portfolios, and that is to begin goal setting. So right now I'm going to walk you through how to create a document from a template in your portfolio and then save that back to your portfolio. So I'm going to walk you through those steps, and then your advisor is going to walk you through your goal setting. So just like I did yesterday, I had a student sign into their account so that you see everything on my screen that you're going to see on your screen. So those things look the same. And again, let's see, she signed into her Google account. So I'm going to go to this 9-button Google Apps button, and I'm just going to click on that. Then I'm going to go to Sites. And in Sites, your portfolio that you created yesterday should show up for you. This is where your site should be listed. Your first name, last name, apostrophe S, portfolio, formatted just like we did yesterday. So go ahead and click on the link to your portfolio. And when you click on the link to your portfolio, that's going to take you to your home page. And today our work that we're going to do is going to be in the 9th grade tab or the 9th grade page within your site. So when you click on the 9th grade page, then it's going to open you up to all of the things that are going to be part of your work and your reflection as you work through your portfolio in your 9th grade year. So you can go ahead and scroll through those things and see what those are, and your deadlines are listed down here at the bottom of the page. Okay, so goal setting is the very first thing that we're going to do. So in this first column right here, I have templates for all of the work that I'm going to do. And that means that like this is the original copy, and I'm not going to work in the original copy. Instead, I'm going to work in my own document. So I'm going to click on the goal setting template, and it's going to open that up for me. And then I'm going to File. I'm going to File, Make a Copy, and I'm going to change the title of my document to let's see, my name, and I'm just going to use my name, and the school year. Because I'm going to create one of these each year that I'm in high school and add them to my portfolio, and I want a different document in my drive that reflects my work from that year. So my name, apostrophe S, goal setting, 2018-2019. And let's see, then I'm just going to click OK. I'm going to leave all those other things the same. So now I've created my own document from this template right here. I'm going to go ahead and close the template. I don't need that anymore. And, oops. And this is the document that I just created for myself. Now I need to take this document and link it back to my portfolio so that it's attached to my portfolio so that I have an easy system for getting to it in the future, and for my advisor being able to access it. So I'm going to click that blue share button, and then I'm going to go down here to who has access. I'm going to click on that. Then where it says link sharing off, I'm going to click on the arrow pointing down, and it's going to open up this option for me for link sharing. So I'm going to click that on, so link sharing is on, and then I'm going to copy the link. So just click that copy button, and now my link to my document is copied to my clipboard. I'm going to click done, and I've got that link in my clipboard. So now I'm going to add the link back to my Google site. So I'm going to go back to my Google site tab, and I'm going to click the edit page button up at the top. Okay, so I've got this second column in my table on my 9th grade page that says my document. So this is where I'm going to put my document. So I'm going to write my same name, Beth Basinger's goal setting 2018-2019. I'm going to write the same name that I gave my document in that field, and then I'm going to highlight that or select all of that text, and then I'm going to come up here to the top to my options, and I'm going to click on that link button. And it's going to ask me if I want to link a sites page, a web address, or an app script. And I'm going to link a web address because that's what my link gave me that I copied to my clipboard. So click on web address, and then where it says link to this URL, I'm going to paste that I'm going to paste that link that was copied to my clipboard into the link to this URL box. And after I've pasted that, let's see, then I'm going to go down here, I'm going to click on open this link in a new window. So when someone clicks on my goal setting document, it opens a new window for them in their computer. They've still got my sites page open, and now they've also got my goal setting document open. And then I'm going to click OK. So now on my 9th grade page, I've got the template for my goal setting and I've got my goal setting document. So like if I hover over this, then there's the link to my document. I could click on it and it's going to take me right to my goal setting document that I created. Okay, so let's see. I've made all of the changes that I need to make to my site. So I'm going to click Save. And now it just saved that work to my site. So now any changes that I make to this document are going to be reflected when someone clicks on the link to my goal setting document from my site. So now I'm going to go to my goal setting document, and this is where I'm going to walk through these steps with my advisor to change my name right here and my year right here, 2018, 2019. And then I've got some suggestions for what goal setting looks like, things I want to think about as I'm doing my goal setting, and I've got some questions to answer as I'm processing setting my goal for myself. In the middle of the year, we'll come to this mid-year reflection. There's a sample of a mid-year reflection written here for you, so you've got an idea of what this might sound like. You're going to delete this sample and you're going to write your own in here in the middle of the year. And then at the end of the year, we're going to do the same thing. We'll reflect on our goals for the year, how we achieve those goals, what obstacles were in our way, how we work to overcome those obstacles, that kind of thing. Here's another sample for you of what that sounds like or looks like. I'm going to write my own at the end of the year, and then I'm going to delete this sample. So then at the end of the year, everything that's on this page reflects me and my goals for 2018-2019. And that's how you link your own document back to your sites page for your goal setting for today. Have a great day, Tigers.